Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can you solve this expression before I do? So let's solve this. Expression is 12 divided by 1 over 3 times 6. So here we cancel this 3 2s are 6. So what left? 12 divided by 2, which is 6. If you think answer for this question is 6, then you are wrong. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Here multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So write the question 12 divided by 1 over 3 times 6. So here as you know division multiplication both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. First we'll solve this part. So here in division fraction is there, then use KCF rule. Means keep the first fraction as it is, change this division into multiplication and flip this. So here comes 3 by 1 times 6. So multiply this, 12 3s are 36. 36 times 6. So our final answer is 126.